ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and people of every flavor. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to unbox our long-awaited XRT. Let's get to it. Golly, this thing's in there. Come on, out of there. That was roll package. Looks like we have assembly to do. Man, this thing is a beast. Let's get some tires on this machine. Man, there's a pretty good difference between the XRT and the X-Max. I might have found my new favorite. Man, one thing I love about Traxxas is the new clipless body system. Let's put some batteries in this thing and go bashing. How slick was that? Brought a couple to play with. Let's see which one's faster, the XRT or the X-Max. Just started to sprinkle, but we're not gonna let that stop us. We're going from number 70 to 60. Let's get to it. On your mark, get set, go! Get set, go! With stock gearing and new batteries, I think the XRT just edges out the X-Max on speed. like we broke something. Well, so far, the X-Max seems to be tougher. Man, you just can't kill the X-Max. Whoops, this is like a 90-degree bank. Let's see what the XRT can do. That was good. Good. Here it comes. Ooh, that thing's fast. Got me wet. Woo. Man, this thing handles well. Which one do you think is gonna pull the other? The XRT or the X-Max? Let's see. Ready, set, the XRT wins. Here we go. Round 2. X-Max wins. Round 3. Here we go. X-Max wins again. I think we lost a little bit of rubber in the tug of war. Woo-wee! I sure had fun filming this one. Tell me how you think this compares to the X-Max. I think the problem with the gear was it was our fault. We landed on pavement under power, but Oshi Pro Shop took good care of that. Tell me what you think in the comments. Wipe out.